everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Justin with JustinSalleyArt. I hope you're having a great day. We got some new products to try out. The folks over at HIPPIE Crafters sent us a couple different things. We got some painter's tape to tape the back of our coasters. We got a little box of epoxy to try out. And then we got this 20 color acrylic paint set. And we're gonna mix this up with some of our medium and see what we can create with it. So let's go ahead and I'll get over to mixing and then we'll get started. So let's check out these paints and see what they look like. We hope you love our acrylic paint set as much as we do. If our paints do not meet your expectations, email us for a full refund. support@hippiecrafter.com. That's pretty cool. And then they got a little flyer here with their info on it and some of their products. They have canvases and all sorts of other different products I didn't even know. And so I'm really excited that they contacted me to try these. And we get all these different colors to try out. That's pretty cool. So they come in little 2-ounce bottles. And that's ultramarine blue. Let's see what the paint looks like here. Oh. It's actually pretty creamy. Nice and thick. Looks like it's got good body. Well, that's awesome. Let's check out another color here. Viridian. Let's see the consistency here. Very nice. That's nice and thick. That's a pretty color. Those are pretty nice looking. Let's see what else we got here. Let's check out this violet. Super nice and thick. Alright, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and mix them. So we're going to mix up some new colors. And we needed some medium. So we're using 3 parts. I'm using a half cup here. And I did 3 parts of the Behr AD300. And 1 part of the Joe Sonia. So 1.5 cups of Behr and a half cup of Joe Sonia. And then I'm just gonna mix the brains together. This stuff looks so chunky until it gets mixed in. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Alright, so we mixed it together for a couple minutes and now we got a smooth consistency and a nice drizzle. So we'll go ahead and mix some paints here in a second. Alright, so we picked out phthalo blue for our color today, viridian, and rose. And I'll show you how much I put too much paint in yesterday. So I'm adding about, let's say that, and another little drop is all I'm adding from that. That's a pretty color, isn't it? And I did a teaspoon of medium in each. So a couple little pea size things. Let's mix this up and I'll show you, and then we'll try to see how close it is to that color. Alright, so let's try and mix this one up and see how close we can get to that color there with just what we added. It's looking pretty close. Mix it all in here and Then compare it to the bottle in 1 second. Make sure you get all your sides together. Pretty spot on, so it doesn't lose a lot of color. Like I said, it's rich and creamy, and all I added was a couple drops. So we'll mix that other one up and then we'll get going. All right, just to update you guys on the mixes I did here. So I used a tablespoon of medium, which was mixed Behr 8300, 3 parts Joe Sonia gloss varnish, 1 part. And you saw how much paint I put in here, just a little bit. So I did 1 scoop, 1 tablespoon of medium in here, a little bit of paint. And then I did have to add an additional squirt of Joe Sonia, just a little one, into each one to get it to a better consistency for painting. This is pretty close to perfect. It has a few second trace and just falls in. It might be a little thick, but it's definitely workable. So I just wanted to add that in. We added just a tiny bit more Joe Sonia to get it to that consistency. We got our colors mixed up. Yellow, phthalo blue, meridian, violet, and rose. So in our American cell. So we're going to go ahead and see how this works out. All these fades of colors, those multi-cells. Super stoked with that. Colors just blended over the top of others. Super stoked. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on the new HIPPIE Crafter paints. I'm liking them. They're really popping. I think you got to blend some stuff together to get some crazy results. but they perform really well. They're thick, and as you can see, they hold up really, really well. They're bright and vivid. So I'm really excited. Thanks for the opportunity, Hippie Crafters. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my future videos. If you want, I hope you want, and I'm going to be doing quite a bit more on YouTube as I start showing people some of the tricks and my recipes and different things I'm doing. So hopefully you'll come join me. Okay guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching.